so, and I'm not.
No, it's all, like, you gotta pull your, yep, there you go. You got it. You gotta trust your core.
I feel like a
see how your
circus
butt,
performer.
there you go. See how it's easier when you, maybe.
Yeah, no,
Like
it is.
your butt, you gotta tuck your butt.
Yeah, you gotta stack your body.
Stack your body, throw it on the ball, move it all around. Yeah, we're gonna be able to do this really easy.
Okay, here we go. I just want to grab you.
This is great, you can. I'm pretty strong. You can also, if you V your legs.
Yeah, that's what I need. I need a foundation.
You almost cracked your head open on the table.